Well, this is the blizzard. It's hard to tell, but the snow is coming down pretty hard. It's been going for quite some time, so you can see all the cars are buried. There's a van over across on the other side of the street that hasn't been plowed from the last storm and is completely buried. I mean, if you go down the street, everything is just completely covered. They're saying that drifts, the wind is just pounding. The snow's going sideways. There's probably about 5 feet of snow worth of shoveling and drifts in our front yard. We still have some more time. There's an idiot over there across the street trying to shovel out. There's no reason to, because the drifts just keep on piling the snow back on. You can see the snow's above his head already, where he's plowing or shoveling. You can see on the roof, some of the roofs are starting to cave in because the snow's so heavy. Not good.